Speak easy, sweetie. Okay, start with volume blow-dried hair and section a deep side part. Then you're going to section from back of ear to other back of ear, making it round around the crown, and clip up out of your way. Then we're going to French braid the back of the head. To French braid, you're going to start with 3 sections, similar to a traditional 3-strand braid, but grabbing a small section each time you cross over. So continue to French braid until you finish off to the ends. Secure with a small elastic. Then pin back and forth on the head so that it lays flat and in place. It's a great way to get rid of unwanted length for faux short styles. Drop down the top section now. Now we're going to curl it. I'm using an inch iron. You can use a smaller size if you want tighter curls. You're just going to do barrel curls, 1-inch sections, or whatever size iron you have. Use that size sectioning. I'm pre-spraying each section with the Davines hairspray as a heat protector and to help set the curls. I'm doing a barrel curl, which you feed the ends through. So you start in the middle, feed the ends through, and clip to the top of scalp. That way, the ends are really nice and smooth. Continue this all the way around the head until you run out of hair to do. After the hair is curled, back come the top section, section by section, working around the head. Then gently brush it all to combine. This is to add fullness and volume, as well as make the entire look connect. Once you have it all back combed and combed together, we're going to start to make the faux bob shape. You want to identify where you want the faux bob to land, gather it all, right at that length, curl it around your finger, and pin it back to where the braids are. So the braids not only get rid of the length, but also add as a great place to anchor hair too. Continue to pin sections until you run out of hair, letting the top pieces fall over to get that faux bob look. I'm using bobby pins and hairpins. Then finish with the hair accessory from the costume.